hopefully you have plans to take it easy and take it nice and slow this morning and getting out the door a little early because even though snow is winding down at least a little bit this morning in some places, we're going to have some issues all the way into the afternoon thanks to some of that snow that does continue to fall on what fell last night. Seaway Valley, St. Lawrence County in northern New York, as well as the Green Mountains, northern Green Mountains in southern Vermont, still getting that snow, in the Champlain Valley as well. It could be and likely is a lot lighter than it was last night, but Plattsburgh, Burlington along 89, all the way through Chittenden County and into places like Morristown, Swanton, probably St. Albans, getting some more of that steady snow already. It is a mess out there, especially some of our secondary roads that haven't gotten the attention as some of our main roads. So be careful. And this is what some of you guys are dealing with. This is a photo from our You Local page from Fort Covington. As you can see, this was taken probably around midnight and already 9-10 inches there, and I'm sure more has fallen since then. Thanks so much for your photos and your reports. Keep them coming. They have been incredible. These aren't even some of our highest, but we do have in North Fairfax 11 inches reported earlier this morning. Greensboro 10.5 along with Peru, Putney as well, and Schuyler Falls 9.5. Keep those reports coming. They will be very useful for us this morning, and of course we'll be sharing those and your photos on air. So go to our Facebook page or mynbc5.com to the You Local section, and we will definitely be sharing those photos throughout the rest of the morning and day. Wind has picked up. I heard Leanne say the wind picked up while she was out there this morning. 16 miles per hour now in Burlington, 8 in Plattsburgh. It was calm earlier this morning. That wind will potentially be an issue later on this afternoon. In fact, we have Tyler Jankowski, who's out in Plattsburgh, to give us an idea of not only what's going on now and what has happened, but an idea about what we're expecting with drifts for later on this afternoon. Tyler.
Yeah, good morning, Caitlin. That report of 8 miles per hour out of Plattsburgh International is probably a little bit low. I definitely get the sense that the wind is picking up here. Take a look at the street light high above Route 3. Not only do we have light snow falling, but the wind is clearly picking up here, even in the 30 minutes that we've been here. So it feels a lot colder than the upper 20s that you see on the thermometer. You still have light snow falling. Now, I think the accumulation is largely done with, but take a look at the snow here right along the road. It's very, very fluffy. So what does that mean? Well, we're expecting wind gusts up to 30 miles per hour later today. So even though, there could be a break of sunshine, gosh, the wind is really going to blow the snow around. It's going to be in your face, and drifts are likely going to be an issue. Maybe a couple of feet deep, the drifts, by the time this evening rolls around. So yeah, the snow may be largely done in some spots, but we still have the drifting and the blowing of the snow to get through later on today. For more on the rest of the forecast, Caitlin, take it away.
Yeah, Tyler, exactly. That wind, of course, going to create a little bit of that chill factor this morning. Temperatures, like Tyler mentioned, are in the upper 20s, and our wind is already beginning to pick up. Later on today, near 20 miles per hour in some places, and even up to 25 miles per hour for the Connecticut River Valley. And then gusts that will be stronger, blowing that snow. Luckily, that dies down into tomorrow. We'll see things calm down a little bit tomorrow as well. That's kind of the theme for today, gradually starting to quiet down. Some scattered snow showers through that noon hour. Wind is picking up, like we mentioned, and most of our snow for the afternoon hours will be in the mountains, with temperatures hovering right in that mid-20-degree range. Futurecast, of course, showing that snow is holding out a little longer in the Green Mountains and the northern Adirondacks. So this is us being on the tail end of this system, and as it moves on out, we'll see some of that upslope snow like we typically do, and even a little bit of sunshine here or there for some of our valley areas, clearing up overnight a little bit. Then tomorrow, the clouds will be back, and we'll find a mostly cloudy sky and a spot snow shower here or there for your Tuesday. Wednesday morning, another round of snow, and we'll see scattered snow showers Wednesday and throughout Thursday. Something to keep in mind, not only do we have today's event, but we're also looking at a little bit more of that snow on top of what we've already gotten. Here you can see Futurecast as we head into Wednesday and into Thursday, a couple more inches, again, on top of what we already have. Definitely going to call it, again, a couple of inches between Wednesday and Thursday. Too early to be confident in any specific numbers. Just know we'll be expecting that very slowly accumulating throughout the middle of the work week. Then we're drying up, and we finally have a period of some more quiet weather and a little bit of a warm up as we head into the weekend.